Hello, hello, everyone, and welcome to Losers to Winners. Yes, today we had a loser become a winner and retire to the winner's circle. It's FCL Fuel Cell. Let's go look at the chart. There it is. It was a penny stock. I don't report many on many stocks. You can see I only have a few, but Fuel Cell owed us $45. We got in the trade around 49. Right in here, we got in here. I had an order for 50 cents. Got in at 50 cents. It owed me $45, and let's do the numbers. So we got out at 0.8023 minus 0.4999 for a profit of 30 cents and some change times 500 contracts. No, shares. I'm sorry, it was shares. It was shares. Why it was shares is because it was a penny stock. Oh, options in my brain. So it owed us $45. Let's minus our 45 for the arrears. And we end up clearing, Fuel Cell clears with $106 profit too. It's good. That's done. That's done. How the trade was triggered was that we went in a portfolio manager's exit. What that means is that once you get over 20%, or you get into a trade on an equity, that is, if you own the stock and you're over 20% return on the stock, then you start looking for an exit. This is what portfolio managers do. That's why you'll see sometimes the stock down here, then shoot up here, and all of a sudden it drops off. This is, why didn't it continue going? Well, because whoever bought it down here made their 20% up here, and they got out. Portfolio managers are target traders. Okay, that done. Let's now go on to our remaining winners in the, we have Siri. Let's go talk about Siri. We'll get it out of the way. Siri owes us only $9. And get this. Siri is running $42 profit. So I'll be looking towards shoring this up very shortly to go ahead and get the $9 off, and then retire Siri off the losers list to the winner circle. Relive has been a pain in the neck. It owes us like $136. Yeah, let's go take a look at it. Where are you? Oh, R. Oh, there it is. And you can see we are here on it. Owes $36, and that's what we're shooting for. So we are, and it's not been doing too hot. Now, what's our contingency plan? You always got to have a contingency plan, and that's very simple. That's this. If it goes belly up, this is a consumer discretionary. So what will happen is, if Relive goes bankrupt, transfer owes to XLY. Why XLY? XLY is the ETF for consumer discretionary. That means discretionary is people have extra money in their pocket. They go buy something they don't need. They buy something that they want. You have XLY, which is consumer discretionary, and then you have consumer staples. That people have to go buy stuff they do need, like food, gasoline. Utilities is XLU. So that's the ETF. So that's what will happen in the event that they go belly up. All right, let's finish. Let's get into the options. All right, look at this. We only have one winner, though. It's here in the alpha account. The alpha account is, and this would be easier to keep control. Okay, Zillow. And you can see Zillow owes us $473. It's getting to our break-even line. and we are $217. So we're about 25% short of reaching that line. We do have 7 contracts. All right, that said, let's go over to the Tigers League. Over here at Tigers, we have DIA in the lead, which is kind of cool. DIA owes us $580. That's kind of neat. As you can see, my drawings here are where I anticipated the 30-degree angle of attack, and I also put in my payback. Let's zoom in a little closer to get that better, and we'll get this back into the picture. So there we are. We can see a little bit clarity here. That's what we're doing. All right. That said, that's 58%, and we are over the 30%. So the stop will get moved up here. We're going to initiate a new thing here at the it's called my Tigers group with my Tigers, and that is we've been watching a lot of the day trader videos. I've been watching a lot of day trader videos and other traders, and it's like I tend to be a little bit on the high risk side, which is not good. That's why sometimes I have so many losers, because I'm looking for an ROI at 300, 100 up here. I got 58 here. As it goes up, the chances decrease in reaching that 100 ROI, which would in turn initiate the last bar low. So that said, the bottom line is we're going to be looking towards shoring up anything. We're going to switch to the Price Headley school of mentality, and that is anything over 30% in the options, go to last bar low. Grab your profit, get out. If you're able to chip this rock down from a rock to a pebble, then we got it made. All right, let's go on. MTD. Now remember, MTD was a mistake. Yes, I set the order ticket up wrong in here, right in this area, and I got hit with a minus $28. But I got back into the trade. We had a nice bump. I'm running at 171 ahead, so we are already in the profit zone. We are going to go to last bar low. In fact, did I do it already? 104.15. What is the low here? 109.90. So I will be moving. I need to move the stop up to do that. And then now that $28 will get paid back, and then we take retire another to the winner's circle. So that leaves us last is Dominion. And here is Dominion coming up, and you can see I already started some artwork on here. I want to reach out and give a shout out to Carrie Rossen, Rossen. She is an artist. She is relocating to Portland. If you need an artist in your area of the Northwest up there, check her out. I've known her for a few years. She's quite good, and she's very passionate about her work, and she delivers what she promises. So her name is Carrie, Carrie. Last name is Rossen. You should find her on Facebook and LinkedIn, and a great artist. And she brought to my attention how I do my little artwork. So thank you very much for that. Okay, so there are Dominion. Dominion is running in at $18. It's $382, and we're just hitting a breakout up here at the break even. Well, that concludes today's winners and losers and that's why we got the guy in the red sweater. When you see this gentleman in the red sweater, that means we have retired to the losers, the loser to the winner's circle. And with that, I thank you very much for checking out Gregory Santana's Losers to Winners.